government to impose second lockdown in the country. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called for political will and bold action to achieve sustainable development goals. The United States President Donald Trump has said that the US will manufacture at least 100 million doses of a coronavirus vaccine before the end of the year. The international summit urges UN to take hard action against Iran. The United States government has once again announced a series of shutdown on Chinese applications WeChat and TikTok. Somalia names new PM announces plans for national election. India arrests 9 Al-Qaeda militants planning terrorist attack. Taiwan scrambles fighter as Chinese jets again menace island.